always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
We've been watching our cameras today in spots like Holland and Muskegon. Heavy snow for some already. We have even more on the way tonight. An additional 4 to 8 inches possible for places like Holland and then off to the north into Muskegon. The wind has settled down a bit. Earlier today, we had some gusts in the 40-mile-per-hour range. Tonight, we're expecting gusts in the 20s, so a little bit more doable. By the way, I got to show this to you. The ice is expanding just out to the pier right now in Grand Haven. Right now, Lake Michigan total ice coverage 21%, and the average is 20%. So this is the first time in about 2 years that I've seen us actually go a little higher than the average, which is a big deal. Looking at temps right now, 18 in Grand Rapids, it's 16 in Kalamazoo, 20s along the lakeshore. It's warmer because the wind is traveling in over Lake Michigan, and in some cases, it's traveling over Lake Michigan for almost 100 miles. So as it makes that journey from frigid temperatures over to near 30 temperatures, it's soaking up the warmth and the moisture, and it's dumping it in the form of snow where the wind is coming together in spots like Muskegon, Ottawa, and Newaygo, along with Oceana. So you can see why these folks here have the higher alerts, the winter storm warnings that have been issued until 10 a.m. tomorrow, just expecting more snow because of the wind flow. Now, outside of that main zone, we're still expecting a decent amount of snow, 2 to 4 inches at least overnight tonight. This goes for folks right on the west side of Grand Rapids, stretching into I-96 and 196 into Zeeland and Walker, Coopersville. And then as you get closer to spots like Grand Haven and Muskegon, Spring Lake, Norton Shores, you're more in that 4 to 8 inch range. So a lot of folks are going to have to shovel overnight tonight. But in general, the further south and east you live, like Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, you'll probably be closer to about the 1 to 2 inch range by the time we get to Thursday afternoon, I should say. So here's Storm Track Live. You can see the enhancement zones, the deeper blues, really clearly on the radar. That will continue overnight tonight, and we don't see it change until the wind does. Here's 3 a.m. We start to see the wind shift trying to move in. By the time we get to 6 a.m., some bursts of snow. That could be the time when a lot of folks are trying to get on the roads in Kent County, Ottawa County, Allegan County. And then by the time we get to sunrise and just beyond, some of the snow starts to break up a bit, but it still should exist in some scattered bands as we go through Thursday evening. So Thursday is going to be a snowy day, especially close to the lakeshore, still dangerous for many. So just keep that in mind. That's why we have it outlined as an alert day. Friday, some improvement. Saturday, temperatures up near 30, and a very slight chance of snow for both Saturday and Sunday.